Good morning, children. This is our revision video for periodic assessment 1. We have done the different bits yesterday or in our previous class. Now today we are learning the prefixes. Using the prefix dis, dis, form the opposites of these words. First one, agree, agree, agree. If you add dis, it becomes disagree. Disagree, disagree. Second one, obey, it becomes disobey. Disobey, disobey. Third one, like, it becomes dislike. Dislike, dislike. Fourth one, appear, appear, appear. It becomes disappear. Disappear, disappear. Fifth one, allow. So it becomes disallow. Disallow, disallow. Now, use that words in the sentences. Complete the sentences with the correct forms of the words from exercise A. First one. The goal was disallow dash because the goalkeeper was not ready for the penalty. Disallowed. Disallowed, disallowed. Second one. Even best friends dash sometimes disagree. Disagree, disagree. Third one. The kite dash behind a cloud disappear. Disappear, disappear. Fourth one. We should never dash our parents. Disobey. Disobey, disobey. Fifth one. It is such a beautiful song. I don't think anyone can dash it. Dislike it. Dislike, dislike it. Lesson number 2. Along the yellow brick road. Along the yellow brick road. Here, this lesson, we have the 3 characters. What are the 3 characters? A girl named Dorothy, the boy on yellow dress, Scarecrow, and he is a Tin Man. So what happened to them? One day, Dorothy lost her way to home. Now she is going along the yellow brick road to take the help of Oz to send her back to Kansas. That is her hometown. On her way, when she was traveling along the yellow brick road, before that she came across a forest. When she was crossing the forest, she met a scarecrow. Then Scarecrow also joined Dorothy later. He asked her where is she going and why. So she said that she lost her way to home. She is going to meet Oz, the great Oz who helps everyone. So the Scarecrow also joined her because the Scarecrow wants brain. Scarecrow wants brain. Then when they were going on their journey towards the yellow brick road, when they are crossing the forest, they heard a noise that is help, help. So some very big groaning sounds they were getting. So they went there. So they were surprised to see a tin man who was struck. When she asked the reason for striking, he said that his body was not oiled and he is standing there from a 1 year. Because no one oiled him. All his parts were rusted. Then Dorothy asked him to where to start from. The Tin Man said to start oiling from the neck, and slowly she oiled his total body. And after some time, the Tin Man was able to move his parts. The Tin Man asked the reason to both of them where were they going. So they gave their own reasons going to meet Oz. Now, the Tin Man also wants something from the Oz. That is, a heart. Tin Man says that he has a body like everyone, but he don't have a heart. So he wants Oz to gift him a heart. Now, three of them started their journey to meet Oz. What Dorothy want? Dorothy want Oz to send her back to Kansas, to her hometown, because she lost her way to home. Scarecrow wants a brain to think, because Scarecrow is the statue which we keep in a field by making a body with the help of the sticks and resembling it like a human being in the field. Tin Man. What do the Tin Man want? The Tin Man want to have a heart to think. Now, he asked the permission to both of them, can he join them? So they agreed. Now, everyone started their journey towards along the yellow brick road to Emerald City, Emerald, Emerald City, to meet the Great Oz. To meet the Great Oz. Hope that everyone understood. Thank you.